Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we'll see how the ragi flour mill is operates. We need to collect the ragis in the bucket to fill in the container and switch on the machine. And ragis already stored in the container. Here we need to adjust the speed. Based on the adjustment, ragis come out. And here dust collection is happening. And you can see here stones and some other waste material collect there, and there are two containers collecting broken ragis and other dust. Yeah. And finally okay ragis come here, and then we need to shift in the flour mill machines. These three are flour mill machines. This is particularly for ragi, and once we fill there, we need to switch on in this control box, and you can see this is the machine. Yeah, ragis come here, and grinding will happen inside this machine. Here we can adjust the softness of the flour. Now two buckets for cleaned and ready for milling. We need to shift this ragis to the milling machine. Yes, I'm shifting now. Yes, shifted, and we need to switch on the machine now. Yes, now switched on. Machine is operates from the motor connected to milling machine through belts. See, ragis are coming inside, and here grinding, milling is happening. See, that is adjusted for the softness of the flour. See, flour is coming. He is the operator of this machine. See how he is enjoying his work. Now it is getting filled. If you feel this video is useful to you, please like, comment your thoughts and share with your friends and family. Now it's ready to take home. Bye bye. Thank you for watching.